Let's make marshmallow fluff with 2 ingredients, egg whites and powdered sugar. We're just gonna need the egg white. Now an unknown amount of powdered sugar. That looks good. Got my little baby whisk, give it a mix. It looks similar to what I saw in the video. And we're gonna have to get this on the heat. So you're coming with me. We're gonna put this on a double boiler. We'll heat this until it reaches 170 degrees. I don't have a thermometer, so we're gonna eyeball this. I'll stick my finger in it and I'll let you know if it's 170 degrees. I'm scared because I can't even get out of the bowl. I'm making a mess over here. Stuck in there. Oh, I got these tongs. Perfect. Okay, that's my escape. Oh, shh. Did you just see that? I spilled the eggs in here. Oh my gosh, guys, don't watch this. This is just bad. It's stuck. And there's hot water and I'm gonna get burned on. Okay, it's out. We're gonna stop here because that was a mess and a half. It's gonna be fine. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, this is what we got. We are going to whisk this up. Do you have faith? Because I have zero faith. Here we go. Let's do this. It's getting somewhere. I just need to stop and show you our progress. Let's taste it. We're gonna keep going because this tastes great. Guys, I did it! I had no faith. We're gonna make a peanut butter and fluff sandwich. I have potato bread. It's gonna be so good. We got the fluff here. Look at that fluff. I mean, that is just gorgita. That's beautiful, right? Okay, let's put the fluff on the sandwich. We're gonna do the butt and the bread because that's all I have. And then on the other half we'll do some peanut butter. I'm just gonna have flashbacks. Elementary school cafeteria tables, just chowing down on a marshmallow fluff and peanut butter sandwich. Okay, we're gonna close that bad boy up. That looks good. Let's give it a taste. I just did a reverse Raven. Like, I didn't see into the future. I saw into the past. This is fantastic. Is this gonna be my dinner? Probably so.